Let me explain you. Look at this concept. Suppose I have a house. In the house, I have some amenities. Some These are the features at the house. I have a group of people who are visiting my house. The group of people who are visiting my house. Who are this group of people? Let us say right. These are the group of people who generally visit your house. Now, here these are the users whom we receive. These two people have they belongs to husband family, wife family. Right. So these are the basically users. The moment I say user, what does it mean? Is an employee of your company. Okay. Different people are different. Now for everybody, all the features of your house will be given to you. Once I come to your house, all the features of your house will come to this? No, right? All the features will not come. Now let us say if husband family is coming to your house, then what will be the features you will get? You will get access to everything, boss. Married people understand better. Now what was that? We have a. Now if husband family come to your house, only read, 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 write, no access. The same story if wife family come to house, boss. Now what was that? Wife family come, read, write, delete. Right. Sometimes they get neighbor permissions also. Extra perks will be there from neighbor also. Right. Now, house is the same, but depends upon the people, the permissions are going to be different. Right. Then, most horrible people. Your husband, friends. What was that? Read. No access. No access. No access. Right. Now, we have a wife friend. Now, so what was that? House is the same, but depends upon the category of people, access is changing. How this object, now the same concept, let us replace it. This house is nothing but an object, and ABCD is nothing but a field. How this object is visible to different people in the organization. How this object is visible to different users in the organization is controlled by page layout. Object is same, but for everyone, same type of view will not be there. Object is same for everyone, same type of view will not be there. Depends upon the category of people, different permissions will be given, different way I will be showing you. Now in the object I have D field. Now for husband family, no access to D. For wife family, read, write, delete on D. For friends, no access. For wife friends, read permission. The same object, same field, but visible in different views for different category of people. Now what is it? How this object should be visible to different profiles is controlled by page layout. How object is visible to different profiles is controlled by page layout. What is this page layout? It will tell you how the object will be visible to the people, which field should be visible, in which order they should be visible. That everything is controlled by page layout. The basic thing. I hope you are good. So how the object should be displayed to the different category of profiles is controlled by page layout. Okay. I hope this concept is clear. Okay. Let us discuss technically, but let me finish general view. Okay. Let us go to the next concept. What is the next concept we have? Record type. What is the next concept was? Record type. Now we have husband profile. Now what is the profile here? Husband profile. Look at this. This guy, try to understand the concept. I'm just making general to get the concept right. This guy coming to the house, the guy is the same person coming to the house at night 12 o'clock without informing that he will be late. Then what happened? Your view is different. The same guy coming at 12 o'clock with a gift. Now who is this? Person is the same boss. Same person called Sham. Person is same. Object also same. Person same, object same, but difference depends upon the context. For the same person, same table, visible in different format. This guy at 12 o'clock coming with a gift. Then what happened? This guy at 12 o'clock bringing some friends also for dinner. Then what, boss? Now what was it? Previously, different group of people, one object for different groups, different view. Object is one, different group, different view. Right now, for the same group, same object, different views. How this object is displayed in multiple forms? How this object is displayed in multiple forms for the same profile? Previously, one profile, one view. Different profile, different view. Right now, only one profile, one object, different view. For the same profile, you want to give a different view. It is the concept of record type. It is the concept of record type. Concept of record type. Let us say customer is there. Corporate customer, personal customer, and otherwise distributor. Now my customer, I'm a Renault Nissan showroom. Who will be my customers? Distributor who is selling my cars is also my customer. Companies who are purchasing my products are also customers. Individual user who are purchasing my car is also a customer. Now if it is a distributor, I will collect a different data. What is the company name, where you are registered, what is your number of branches you have, annual turnover. This is the data. If you are a corporate customer, then I'll ask you how many vehicles you require. What is the company name, what is your annual turnover. If you are an individual person, first name, last name, phone, PAN card number, your salary. Now all these three people are what? Customers only. But depends upon the category of customer, I will take different type of data. Object is what? Customer only. Now let it be a corporate, let it be a distributor, let it be a individual person. Your data is saved in the same table. Your data is saved in the same table. But different format, different category, different data I am going to take. I hope you are good with this. Clear? Let us say you went to a bank, you want to take a loan. You went to a bank, you want to take a loan. When you want to take a loan, if you say it's a personal loan, data will be different. Education loan, they'll ask you what is your qualification percentage when you, okay, what is your highest degree. When you say housing loan, they'll ask you who is your builder, what is the square area, what is the, which floor, constructed or villa or independent or what is that. So depends upon the type of the loan, they'll be collecting different information. At the end of the game, this data is saved to same thing. Are you getting my point here? So the same object displayed in different formats for the same profile, which is called record type. I hope you're good. You're good with this? Different profile, different page layout. For the same profile, different views, record type. I hope everyone is good. Clear for everyone? Concept is clear. We'll see technically, but theme is clear for everyone. Okay. Let us go to next one. This is a mini page layout, boss. What is this mini page layout? Okay. Let me give you. So, profile is some husband profile. Now, for husband profile, they told what is the format? They told this is a structure. If it is husband profile, this is a structure. But this fellow still not okay married, just engaged, boss. This fellow is engaged but forgot to wish her on birthday. Then what happened? This fellow is only engaged but forgot to wish her on birthday. Sample of your future profile will be shown to you. Now this is not a complete profile, only sample of your feature will be shown. Now what was this called? Mini page layout. What is this, sir? What is this, sir? Page layout. This is a page layout, boss. You don't want to see the page layout. You want to see only quick view. If you want to see the complete page layout, profile will have one page layout. You are not looking at the complete record. You are only looking at the basic information required. I don't want to see the entire record. I want to see the required information. If you want to see the complete record, page layout. You want to see only important fields on the record, it is mini page layout. Are you getting my point? This mini page layout is coming for what? Same profile. Profile will have one page layout, one mini page layout. Right, boss? Are you getting my point? Mini page layout. Quick view of record. Mini page layout. Quick view of record. I hope you are good. So what we have? Page layout, mini page layout, and record type. Okay. Next, search layout. Now let us go to the next one. What was that? Search layout. Now when you go to search layout, try to get this point. What is the search layout concept? How it will be used? Now, search layout is common for everyone, boss. You may belong to any group. Now, search layout. Object, these are the different category of people. Right. Now, for these people, in different context, that is, how can you see the record? Here, for these people, different concepts are there. What was that? When you click on the tab, when you search for any data, when you click on the tab, when you search for the data, when you click on the lookup field, when you open the mobile phone and open it, general behavior of the object. This general behavior is for everyone. This will not be different for different people. For all these people, same behavior will be there. search layout will be common for all the people. Where is this search layout? When you click on the tab, which fields? When you are searching for a particular field record, how it is displayed? When you click on the lookup field, how it will be displayed? Look at the point here. Now I'm using. When I click on the customer, what is displayed here? Customer ID. There are so many fields we created. Only customer ID is displaying here. So what was that? When you click on the tab, which field should be displayed? When you go to payment, new, we have icons. When you click on the icon, what is displayed? Customer ID. There are so many other fields are there. Which field should be displayed? This is controlled by a search layout. How your object will behave in different context of the UI. How your object will behave in different context of the UI is controlled with search layout. So finally, your page layout, record type, mini page layout, search layout, all the four belongs to what? UI of the MVC architecture. In the MVC, model, view, controller. Object belongs to model. Fields belongs to model. Page block type, your page layout belongs to view. Record type belongs to view. Mini page layout, view. Search layout, view. Model. Database is always called model. Display is always called view. Display is always called view. I hope you are good with this. So your page layout, record type, mini page layout, search layout, all these four concepts belongs to what? View part of MVC. I hope you are good with this. Now let us start with the search layout first. Look at this. Let us start with the customer. Setup, build. What is the object we have? Customer object. Build, create objects, customer object. Standard fields, custom fields. What we have here? Now first we'll go with the customer tab. In the search layout, what is the first one we had? Customer tab. When you click on the customer tab, what are the fields you want to display? When you click on the customer tab, what fields? First name. Then we have last name, phone, go to the customers, click on the tab. What is happening here? Previously only customer ID is coming. Now which fields are coming here? Which fields are coming? Previously only customer ID is coming. Now which fields are coming? Which fields are coming here? This is controlled with the customer tab. Similarly, go to the payment. How do you do that? Go to the payment object. Scroll down. Payments tab. Click on edit. Then we had mode of payment, amount, go to the payment. We are able to see the following things, right? Okay. Now you are using a customer object as a master detail field or a lookup field. If you are using a customer object as a master detail or a lookup, if you are using a customer object as a master detail or a lookup, if you are using a customer object as a master detail or a lookup, so what was that? Lookup dialogs. Click on edit. We have customer ID, customer name, first name, last name, phone. We got it. So go to this payment object in the new customer. Click on the icon. So what we are getting? Previously only customer ID is there. When you click on the lookup dialog, which fields of the record should be displayed here? Is controlled with search layer. Scroll down here. Lookup dialogs. Then we have customer list view. What is this customer list view? Customer. When you go for a customer list view, what is the button we are reading? New customer change order. When you go for a list view, this is a list view. Here, which button should be displayed? Scroll down. Search layout. What was the button here we had? Customer list view. Which buttons you want to display? New, accept, change order. Right? I will remove it. I hope you are good with this. Right? So what was this? Come back again. Search layout. When you click on the tab, what will happen? When you list view, what buttons should be displayed? Lookup dialogs. Lookup phone dialog means if you open from the mobile, how they should be displayed. Okay. Then we have search result. What was the search result? I gave Satish. When you search for a particular keyword, if that keyword is found in the object, if you are searching for a particular keyword and that keyword is found in your object, which field should be displayed to you? If you are searching for a keyword and that keyword is found in the object, which field should be displayed to you? Then we are supposed to give it a search result. What was the search result? Go back to this. Click on edit. Last name. Save. Right. Go back to this customer again. So what happened? Previously only customer ID came. Now we are able to see the remaining data. So what are the options we have seen till now? Search result. When you are searching for a particular keyword, if that keyword is found, what is the result that should be displayed? Next one, lookup dialog. If you use this object as a lookup, what are the fields of the parent should be used? Which fields of the object should be used? Lookup phone dialog. If you're opening from a mobile, because of the compactness, I cannot show the fields horizontally. I would go for a vertical display. Then customer tab. When you click on a tab, which field should be displayed? Then we have the next one. What is the next one we had? Customer list view. If it is a customer list view, which fields of the customer? When you are displaying a list of customer, which button should be displayed? That is given as customer list view. Such filter will come back again to this point. Still some connected topic is there. We'll complete that and come back. So once again, search result. Can you open the door? Someone? Open the other doors. ఎందుకని హాస్టల్లో ఫుడ్ సరిగ్గా తినాలి కిటికీలు కూడా ఓపెన్ చేయకపోతే Right. Okay. Right. So we go for the next. What was that? Search result. When you are searching for a particular keyword, if the data is found in the object, which fields of the record should be displayed? When you are searching for a particular keyword, if the data is found in the object, which fields of the record should be displayed? Then we have the next one. What was that? Lookup dialog. If you are using this object as a parent, in the lookup or a master detail, which fields of your object should be displayed? In the mobile, which field should be displayed? Then we have customer tab. When you click on the tab, which field should be displayed? If you go for a list view, which field should be displayed? Basically, what is this concept? How your object will be displayed in different context of the UI. How your object will be displayed in the different context of the UI is controlled with such layout. I hope you're good. Scroll down. Once again, when you open an object, standard fields, custom fields, validation, triggers, what you are finding here? What is the option we have here? Corporate layout. If you go to this corporate layout, look at the format. New. What was this called? Section. Under the account information section, we have the following data. Under the address information section, we have the following data. So go to page layout. Here what I am doing? Section. Copy the section. Now, this section should be displayed on the detail page or edit page. I told only on edit page. Per row, how many columns you want? 1 or 2? I told 2 columns. When you click on a tab, what is coming? Top to bottom. This should be coming as choose basic information. Now, which fields you want to display? Organize it. It is a corporate customer. Customer ID, company name, register date, owner. Then we have company name. Then active. We are organizing them. Active. Then annual revenue. Annual revenue, register date, annual revenue. Then I can go with email, phone number. Created by. Where was the created by? Okay. What we are doing? According to your requirement, you are organizing which field should be there. Communication details. Detail page, 2 column, top to bottom, left to right. Then we have city, branch. Then we have phone, We are organizing this. Next we had what are the other fields. Then one more section I am taking. I told only one. So what did I do? I organized the fields. In which order I require, I organized the fields. Now I created this structure. Now what was the option we have? Page layout assignment. Click on this page layout assignment. Edit. Now I am saying for system admin. I told system administrator. For system administrator, which layout we have to give? Corporate layout. Then go to customer, new, company name, annual revenue, register date. This is the structure what I did. What did I do? I organized the fields as per my choice. I organized the fields as per my choice. Now, how that object should be displayed to you is given with the page layout. Are you getting my point? Once again, I will go with what is the navigation you have followed? Setup, build, create, objects, customer, page layout, new page layout, personally.
Sir,
Go to the section, basic information. Now we are giving the basic information. It's a personal. If it is a personal, I should give what is your last name, what is your first name, which company you are working, you are active, who is your owner. Then we had your PAN card number, right? Then we had some extra data like customer ID, created by. Then one more section I'm creating. Select the section, drag and drop. Are you following my points? Then I'm giving it in the communication. I want to give city, places, phone, email. I have some extra data like date of birth and what was that alternate phone number. Then I have salary. Then I have languages row. Any other data you want to give, you can give it. You are organizing it. Then I have second, third column. Where you want other details, address, languages. So we can create multiple layouts. To see the output, I am saying now page layout, assembly. Edit, system administrator. What is the layout? We are only looking at the system administrator level. We are not looking at any other. Once you complete the user topic, I'll come back to everyone. Right now we are looking at only system admin profile. Go to new. This is the structure what I received. I hope you are good with this. Clear? So we organize the structure as per your requirement. We organize the structure as per your requirement. I hope you are good. So what is the page layout? It will specify how an object should be visible to a profile. Now what is the profile we are looking at now? System admin. Now what it is doing? Which field should be displayed? In which order they should be displayed? Which field should be displayed? Which order they should be displayed? In which format they should be displayed? Now look at the point. I hope you are good with this. Okay. Now what was this? At the time of creating a field, I have a field. Go back here. At the time of creating a field, I am creating a field here. New. Now I am giving some other information. Let us say. Next. Referred by. Now I am creating a field. Now we are finding what is the option. At the time of creating a field, I am making it as required. If I make it as required, by default, on every page layout, the field is required. At the time of creating a field, if you define the field as required, by default, on every page layout, the field is required. Right now, what we are seeing is a personal. It is a personal layout. It is a personal layout. Now let us go to another one. What is the other layout we had? Corporate layout. Go to page. Because we had only one profile now, I am trying to show everything with that profile. Edit assignment. We are trying to understand everything with respect to administrator. Because we have not done the concept of users and profiles yet. I have assigned corporate layout. There is a different layout. When you go to corporate layout also, look at this. What was that? It is a required field. So by default, at the time of creating a field, if you choose it as a required, by default, on every page layout, it will be required. Now what I want to say, this is not required for everyone. For only few people it should be required, few people it should not be required. At the time of creating a field, if you define it is a required, for every page layout it is required. Everyone says it is required. I don't want to make this as required for everyone. Only for a group of people I want to make it required. Then what I will do, let us see. Now I am saying, for a personal customer, if anybody open as a personal customer, if we say you are a personal customer, then your last name is a required. So go to last name, click on this. So last name is required only for this particular. If I give you personal layout, then it is required for you. For other people, it is not required. When you say for everyone it is required, at the time of creating a field, make it required. No, it is not required for everyone. Only for administrators it should be required. Only for managers it should be required. Then in the page layout you define it as required. On the page layout, if you define as a required, it is required only for the page layout, not for everybody. Are you clear? You want the field to be required for everyone, then at the time of creating a field, you define it as required. No, I don't want the field to be required for everyone, only for this group of people, field has to be required. Then what should I do? Go to the page layout and modify the permission. Now tell me how the page layout is going to control. Page layout will say which fields you want to display, in which order you want to display, which format required or not required. So page layout will say which fields should be displayed, in which order they should be displayed, and which format they should be displayed. I hope you are good. Right, boss? Okay. Let us go to the next one. Once we create the page layout, what are the buttons we are trying to display? Go to the customer, new. I create. Once you created this, why are you finding this? Communication detail you are finding, right? Why are you finding this? Go to this. Communication details. I told should be displayed on detail page also. Remove the detail page. Go to the customer. It is displayed as a single record. Right? Now on the top, what are you finding? Edit, delete, clone. On the detail page, which button should be displayed? On the detail page, along with the fields, which button should be displayed? Control, which buttons you want to display? Remove the clone buttons. Change owner, change record type, submit for approval. Organize the buttons. Which buttons you want to submit? Which buttons you want to display? Previously we had edit, delete and clone. Now I am getting edit, delete and submit for approval. Which fields you can display? Which order you can display? Which format you can display? What button should be displayed on the top of the record? Okay. Now look at this account. If I open any one of the account, along with the data, what you are finding at the bottom? For this account, corresponding contacts, opportunities, right? But when you go to this customer, you are not able to see anything. So here, corporate layout. Tell me, what are the related lists you want to display? What are the related lists? Look at this. Fields, buttons and related list. Related list, let us say I told notes and attachments, open activities, April history. What are the related lists? Right? Notes and attachments, payments, activity history, April history, open activities. I hope you are good with this. What are the related lists that we can display? Now it says which fields, which buttons, what are the related lists. Now let us go to next one. Go to the page layout. In the page layout, what I am giving, once again, which button should be displayed? Click on the buttons, modify the buttons, then another list. What are the related list? Open activities, notes and attachments, then April list. Again, we have what? Payments. Now, when you are displaying a payment records, which fields of the payment should be displayed? Which fields of the payment should be displayed? Should they be displayed in the ascending order or descending order? I don't ascending order or descending order. Or sort based on payment ID. Payment ID ascending order or descending order. Amount ascending order or descending order. Now you can say sort by which field. Previously this sort is not there. What they have given is payment ID in the ascending order or descending order. Then go to customer. Below. What are you able to see? Open activities, corresponding payments, April history, notes and provisions. I hope you are good with this. Right now they are displayed in the ascending order of payment date. If you want, you can organize them in the descending order of payment date. I hope you are good with this. So which record, which fields, record, which fields, which order, which format, what are the data list, what are the data list, and at the same time, what is the other thing we have? What are the data list, and in which order the data list should be displayed. Go back to the next one. So we had quick action. If you want to add any quick action, we'll do it. What is that quick action? New account. Basically, you'll be getting an option here for quick action. Regular, if you go to the standard pages, you get an option here to add a quick actions here. Let us go to account object and see, because we are not able to see quick action here. I'll complete the remaining topic. Right. Now, once you're done with this, you're finding the left hand side, right? What was this? If I keep a cursor on this, what is happening? Last name referred by, we are getting this data, right? Now, when you keep a cursor on the record, pop-up window is opening, showing you the details of a record. That pop-up window is called mini page layout. That pop-up window is called mini page layout. So what I'm doing, go to a page layout. For every page layout, we are getting mini page layout. So go to personal layout. Right. Go to mini page layout. Go to the page layout. On the top of the page layout, what you are finding here? Here I told. So for every page layout, there will be one mini page layout. Then keep a cursor on this. So what is the data we are getting? Last name, first name, referred by, city, phone number. Every page layout will have one associated mini page layout. Whichever the page layout is given to you, that mini page layout will be coming to you. I hope you are good with this. Everyone is good with this one. So every page layout will have one mini page layout. Every page layout will have one mini page layout. I hope you are good. Clear for everyone? Everyone is good with this? So let me give you theoretical information about this page layout. Anyone has any queries on this concept, boss? Anyone has any queries on this concept? So what is a page layout? What is the page layout? It will specify how an object should be opened for a profile. How an object should be displayed for a profile. So let us see this. So what it does? Page layout. This controls how an object should be displayed to the profile. Page layout controls which a field should be displayed, in which order the field should be displayed, in which format the field should be displayed. I told for this page layout required, not for everyone. Which button should be displayed on the detail page? It controls the retail list and the fields in the retail list. On an object, we can create multiple page layouts. One profile will have only one page layout. So what is the steps you have followed? Classic. The classic we had setup, build, we had object, build, create, object, choose the object name, you have page layouts, and we have, if it is existing page layout, you can click on edit. If it is a new page layout, choose the new. Then what we are doing, enter the page layout name. Then step number 1, add the section to the page layout. Choose the number of columns and tab order. Choose the fields. Specify the format of the fields on the layout. Read or write are required. Add the buttons to the layout. Add the retail list to the layout. Specify the fields that need to be displayed in the retail list. In the payment, which field should be displayed? In which order? Save it. This is the page layout. Then what we are supposed to do? Assign the page layout to profile. Assign the page layout to profile. So page layout basically tells how an object should be displayed for different profiles. Now every object will have a page layout. Next, mini page layout. What is this mini page layout? When we keep a cursor over the record, pop-up window will open. Which is called mini page layout. Every object will have, every page layout will have corresponding mini page layout. Now, if you remember, at the time of creating a field, I told next and see. Now let us come back. What is that next and see? If you remember, at the time of creating a field, I just gave next and see. Now we'll see what is that next and see. Load. Choose the data type. Personal. Next. Still we have an option. Next, field level security. Next, what is the last option we had? Add the field to the page. At the time of creating a field, I am saying show this field on the page layout. Then I am giving it Again, next field, currency. Applied amount. Next. Next. What we are doing? Add the field to the. I hope you got. Last step is what? Next save. Last next is add the field to the page layout. Now next, I also created the fields using schema builder. If you create the fields using schema builder, what will happen? The fields will not be added to the page layout. That is the reason we went manually and added the fields. If you create the fields using schema builder, fields will not be added to the page layout by default. That is the reason they are not visible. Then what we have done? I went to page layout, added the fields. Let me create here. Then apply date. Then we had this is what I created. Now I have created a couple of fields using schema builder. But if I go to the object, loan, new, you're not able to see these fields. Now what we are doing? We are going to the loan object, page layout, add, then I'm giving loan type, applied date, applied amount, city, branch, we are organizing the fields. We are organizing the fields. You can say by default, when you are creating a fields using schema builder, if you create the fields, then using the schema builder, if you create, they will not be displayed on the layout. We went to page layout and added. So if you go with the standard navigation, at the time of creating the field only, we are adding the field to the page layout. But if you go to the schema builder, fields are not added on the page layout. We are manually going to the page layout and adding it. I hope you are good with this. People have followed this. Okay. Now again, when I click on the loan, you are not able to see all the fields. Then what should I do? Go to the search layout, click on the loan tab, loan type, then I have security, go to the loan. Now we have the fields. Data is not there. If you enter the data, you will be able to see. So go to this loan, we are able to see the data. I hope you are good with this. When you click on the tab, what is the data that should be displayed here? Now similarly, you are using the loan object as a parent here. When I click on this, no fields are coming. So what should I do? Go to the loan, go to the search layout, lookup dialogs, edit, loan type, security, applied amount. Go back to this. We are able to see education. I hope you are good. So, what are the topics we have seen? 3 topics we have seen for the day. One is search layout, mini page layout, page layout. Basically, what is the concept of page layout? It will tell you how an object should be displayed. It is not necessary that every field should be displayed for everyone. Now, how these objects should be displayed, which field should be displayed, in which order you want me to display, what is the format, what are the buttons, what are the retail list, everything we can control. Now, if you go to standard object account, how do you control that? Setup, the same page load on the standard object. So it controls object, fields, order, format, buttons, retail list. But if you go to the standard object, we can go to object, you are finding a page. We have multiple page loads. When you have multiple page layouts, how do you recognize which page load is running for you? You have multiple page loads. How do you recognize which layout is running for you? Simple funda. Go to the record. On the top, what you are finding here? Edit layout. When you click on the edit layout, the corresponding page load will come in. Right. Now you are able to see a lot of story here, right? Lot of story you are able to see. Now this is the quick action. Quick action, what do you want? I don't want new contact, new task, file. The things which you don't want, you can remove it. Save it. Then you can go to this. What is available here? Post, poll, question. Post, poll, question. These are the quick actions. Once again, I'll show you. Quick action. Post, poll, question. Then here I'm giving post, poll, question and new action. This is a quick action. Now, what you are saying is in the classic, in the mobile or lightning, what actions you want to display? Quick actions on lightning. Quick actions on lightning. Now, look at this. Now you are able to see a record, open a record. When you open a record, what was that? New contact, new case, new note, new opportunity, new data. You are able to find all this. Go to this. So the above one is classic, below one is light. Above one, what you found is classic, below one is light. Previously we had a lot of actions here, right? Now they are removed. So which action should be displayed on the lightning? Which action should be displayed on the classic? Are you clear about this? 1 second, I will show you. If it is the lightning, how do you take it? Setup. So we can control classic and lightning. Administrative work we can do in anywhere. In the lightning we can do the administrative work, or in the classic. Okay. So we are going to object. Account. What you are finding here? Now we have open the page layout. Then what we find? Fields, buttons, links we not done. Quick action, mobile. Quick action, mobile. Quick action, mobile. Quick action, mobile. Right, boss? Quick action, mobile. And we have seen about a related list. What about these things? This is for the lighting. When you go to development, you will be finding this. But right now, what did you find? Fields, buttons, section, fields, buttons, quick action, mobile. So here, on the top, what you are finding here is quick action for classic, quick action for lighting, quick action for classic, quick action for lighting. Concept is same, but in the lighting navigation, classic navigation. But concept is same. I hope you are good with this. Any query on that? Clear, boss? So that's all from my end for the day. Anyone has any other query on this topic? Pardon me? See, administrative work, how do you find out the compact layout? Now I want to say 2 columns. Based on your mobile size, will you be able to create 2 columns? Right? See, mobile access is given to use it, not for creating the applications. Okay, it's good that you have good advanced mobile phone, you're able to log in the class and work, but you cannot practice in the class. Okay. Now the format of mobile access is for what? Controlling and enabling the permission. Now not for doing every action that we have. You need to understand compactness of the mobile. The compactness of the mobile. Based on the compactness of the mobile, some features will not be managed from that. Right, boss? Yes. Pardon me, come again. Now, see, by default structure is top. Now, reason is, now when you look at this, the length of the page. Suppose there are 100 fields, let us assume. Now, if there are 100 fields, if I want to modify, again I cannot scroll up. So they have given you quick access so that you can access the data from both the ends. Now, this is the length of the record. Now, let us say I am working here. Now, only few fields are here. Right. Now they are giving an access. Well, if you are working on the top, because you can keep on adding anything on the top. Suppose if you have some other messages here, then obviously what will happen? The page structure will be like this. Now if the buttons are given at the bottom, how do you do that? So for the easiness, they have given top and bottom. You don't want top and bottom? Yes. Go to Visualforce and redesign. Okay. Yes. Any other queries? Any other queries? Okay. Now, are you doing the